Hey guys, it's me Momita and welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. And thanks for giving so much love to my previous video. Today I've got a new video for you. I'm sharing my experience for the first time when I visited Uddo beach. Surprisingly, it's very different from other beaches I visited in Goa. This is the Uddo Beach Resort. It's a very beautiful place. You can see a sweet doggy over there enjoying the sun. This beach is a little bit secluded from other places. The place is very peaceful. Felt really nice. So we came here in lunchtime, so we enjoyed some yummy food, Gonsan food. Enjoyed our yummy lunch with beautiful view. The specialty of this beach is you can just walk in the water. The water is not at all deep. As you can see, the people are walking in the middle of the beach, middle of the sea. The water is not so shallow. People here came to search clams. These are the local peoples. They just come here during the evening time and walk in the sea to collect some clams. It's been a very beautiful experience. Do visit this place. Now in the next day we went to Panjim city and visited this beautiful church. It's known as Panjim church and it's located in the main street of Panjim. Look how beautiful it is. And we roamed in the Frontiers road or Frontier Street for some time. There's so many beautiful houses. You can see the different color blocks, different pattern of houses, old Goa. It's just a beautiful experience. By while walking, you can see the different ages of house. Now we came to one of the famous bakery, a small bakery in this area, 31st January bakery. I've seen some of the reviews of this bakery in YouTube, so we visited and it's so yum. Everything here available is so yum and we enjoyed our breakfast here. It was such a nice experience. If you come to Panjim city, please do visit. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please do like, share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your family and friends. And if you have any query, please mention in the comment section. And enjoy!